Nifty managed to close the week on positive note, with the gains of somewhere around 1.5% on weekly basis. Structure for the Nifty is quite positive. It managed to sustain above 16,700, which is a good far for the Nifty. Though not much time, but yes, in second half on the Friday, it has managed to sustain above 16,700, which is again, like I said, a good thing. I think going forward, I think on hourly chart, Nifty has given a breakout from its cup and handle pattern. Cup and handle pattern is a bullish continuation pattern by nature. So I think going forward also, until unless we are trading above 16,600, which will be the trailing stop loss for the longs, or which will be the stop loss for the cup and handle pattern as well. So 16,600 will be a make or break level on the downside. Until unless we are trading above 16,600, the structure will be positive, and we may head towards 16,800 or 17,000 very quickly, or one can say by the end of the September. So I think structure is positive. On the other hand, Nifty managed to given a breakout from its cup and handle, which is at the added advantage again. So I think structure positive for the Nifty. 16,600 will be a fantastic support. I would not suggest below 60 longs to hold below 16,600. So trailing stop loss for the longs would be 16,600, and if these levels are held, next would be 16,800 or 17,000 by the end of the September. Now let's talk about Nifty Bank. Nifty Bank is trading in the rising channel on daily chart. It has managed to bounce from its lower band. Now it is heading towards its upper band, which is somewhere around 36,300, 36,400 odd level. So on the immediate basis, 35,500, 35,000 will be a fantastic support. On the higher side, 36,100, 36,300, 400 will be immediate hurdle. Nifty Bank may see some sort of the drag down moment going forward, but yes, the structure is positive. We can play on the long front rather than shorting the Nifty Bank. So I think both the indices, Nifty Bank, has a positive structure. Any dips will be again buying opportunity for the coming week. Now going forward, a stock specific action. First, let me complete the sector analysis. A sector as such, there is no of the wow factor has been seen in the sector, but yes, Nifty IT, Nifty FMCG, Nifty Infra has seen a very good move last week. So any dips will be again suggested in the mentioned sectors. Now stock specific action. Emphasis looks good at the moment. We may see if the current levels are held, or let's say, if the current levels are held, we may see a more northward move in the Emphasis, towards 5 or 7% move one can expect in the Emphasis. So Emphasis would be the first stock. Another stock would be Fortis. Fortis has given a bullish flag breakout on daily chart. Again, it is a positional bet, one can say. If let's say it is sustained, managed to sustain about 181, 79 odd levels, we are good to go towards somewhere around 230 to 40 levels on the higher side. So I think 40s is again a very good buy at the moment. Even Emphasis, so Emphasis and 40s would be the pick of the week, you can consider. So I think overall, in nutshell, overall structure is positive for the Nifty Bank. Even sectors looks not so aggressive, but yes, the structure is positive. And the stocks I have shared, which is Emphasis and 40s, these are the two stocks one can keep a radar on for the coming week. Thank you so much.